Goofy Goose TV.
Let's explore farm animals.
Yeehaw!
Cow. Sheep. Horse. Chicken. Pig. Can't wait to see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.